Let's make milky donuts. And yes, there are already so many videos out there, but I don't think one more will cut. So you start with your milk, sugar, yeast, and a little salt mixture. You add your egg, quantity in the description. Then you sift in your flour. Has to be fine for better donuts. Add your baking powder, salt, and you mix. Then you bring it to your surface and time to use your hand. And you knead. This should take about 20 minutes to get proper consistency. You should add butter in between, so the third time with the butter should be about 20-25 minutes. When you have a smooth dough, you rest your dough for about an hour. It should double in size. Then you portion out your dough. If you have a scale, it's advisable to use that to get even portions of dough, but I don't have one, so yay. Then you fry your dough. So I did 3 types of filling for my donuts. We'll start with the regular custard filling. I think that's the one that started this craze, and the original type of filling. And for a non-diabetic patient, or for a diabetic patient, this is probably the best. For someone who doesn't like excess sugar, this is the best. After mixing your ingredients, you add your milk slowly, then you boil it to get this consistency. For the milk filling, fry the was. Okay, not the was, but it's too sweet. You go in with condensed milk and just whisk. That's all, basically. Imagine how sweet this is. Then I tried one they have not seen anywhere, which is this chocolate. I would say this came out the best because the bitter cocoa balanced out the condensed milk and it just gave good sweet consistency. So time to fill in. Going with your custard. For the custard, I left the body plain. I didn't rub in anything, just put the custard. It's probably the only one I ate. For the chocolates, I rubbed the body in sugar. That's basically the traditional way I usually eat donuts. For the milk filling, I wanted to go with what I saw everywhere. I rubbed it in powdered milk. This is too sweet. Try for kids. And there you go, my milky donuts. Thank you.